Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Okay, see you again in English. Okay, now let's prepare your book and your pencil and eraser. Okay, so our topic today is still about my town ya. Jadi kita hari ini akan belajar tentang tempat-tempat yang ada di kota as the previous meeting ya, seperti pertemuan sebelumnya. Okay, now let's open our student book. Chapter 5, Lesson 2, page 49, halaman 49. Okay, so did you still remember what we have learned yesterday in the previous meeting? What kinds of places that you know? Okay, we learned about movie theater, swimming pool, library, zoo, mall, and then hotel, and then park, hospital, and others. Okay, now in activity 1, see, we have to look, count, and write. Look, amati, count, hitunglah, and write. Tulislah jumlah banyak dari bangunan yang ada di sini. For example, the first one is movie theater. Nah, how many movie theater are there? Ada berapakah? Okay, let's see. Nah, because there are 2, nah, this is the symbol of the movie theater. Okay, there are 2, so just write 2 here. Okay, is it easy? Okay, now swimming pool. Can you see in the picture how many swimming pool are there? Okay, find out in this picture. Okay, how many? Okay, 1. So you can write 1 here. Okay, good. Now, the next library. How many library are there? Nah, ya, jadi ketika kalian ingin menanyakan berapa jumlah tempat atau banyaknya sesuatu, you can say how many, blah blah blah, ya. So here, how many library are there? Okay, write down here, and then find out how many hotel and how many mall. Okay, write the number. Okay, now let's move to activity 2. Okay, activity 2. Listen and circle. C for true or F for false. Okay, the first one. There's a library. Okay, ada sebuah perpustakaan di gambar yang ada di atas. True or false? Because it's true, just circle T. Okay, now number 2. There are 3 malls. Ada 3 malls. Is it right, true or false? And then number 3. There isn't a swimming pool. Ya, tidak ada kolam renang di gambar di atas. True or false? Then number 4, there are 2 movie theaters. Is it right, true or false? Okay, easy. Okay, now let's go to grammar corner. Here, ask and answer. So if you want to ask di manakah tempat ini, nah for example, is there a zoo? You can say like this, is there a zoo? Or is there a hospital? Nah, you can say this one. Okay, yes, is there blah blah blah. And you can answer no, there is, or no, there isn't. Ya, jadi ada 2 jawaban yang bisa kalian pilih. Nah, this one. Okay, you can answer yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Ya, seperti biasa ketika kalian menjawab no, of course, the last is ada not di belakangnya ya, isn't. Okay, now if you want to ask the total or the number of something ya, ketika mau menanyakan jumlah, you can say how many. For example, this one, how many hotels are there? Okay, you can say how many, ya. And then you can answer like this. There are 3, ada 3. Misalkan there are 3, kalau misalkan ada 5, there are 5. Okay, you can say there are if it's more than 1. Kalau lebih dari 1, if just 1, kalau cuma 1, you can say there is. Okay, easy? Okay, now let's go to activity book. This one. Okay, open your activity book, page 39. Okay, activity 1. Look and complete with there's or there isn't. Okay, there's, kalau misalkan ada, nah kalau tidak ada, you can say there isn't. Okay, based on this picture. Easy? Now, for example, number 1. Blah, 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 a hospital. This one is there is. Why there is? Because we see hospital here. Karena ada rumah sakit, so we can say there's. Number 2, a swimming pool. Can you see swimming pool in this picture? There's or there isn't. Okay. Then number 3, a cafe. Is there any cafe here? There is or there isn't. Jadi memilih di antara dua ini ya, there's or there isn't. Number 4, a library. Is there any library in this picture? There's or there isn't. Okay, easy? Now, let's move to activity 2. Look at the picture in activity 1. Complete the questions and circle the answers. For example, number 1, blah 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 zoo. Nah, as I said before, if you want to ask apakah ada kebun binatang seperti itu, you can say, is there a zoo? Okay, let's see. Is there any zoo here? Yeah, the zoo is here. Karena ada, so we can say yes, there is. How about number 2? Okay, what should you write here? Blah 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 movie theater. Nah, look at number 1. Lihat contohnya nomor 1. And then answer yes there is or no there isn't. Lihat movie theater in picture above. Number 3, blah 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 hotel. What's the answer? Just like number 1, you can rewrite in number 3. And then answer yes there is or no there isn't. Okay ya? Now, the last activity. Look again, count and write. Number 1, as I said before, if you want to add the total or the number of the things, you can say how many cars are there? There are blah blah blah. Okay, count the total of the cars in the picture above. Hitunglah jumlah mobil yang ada di gambar di atas. Okay, please write in word. Tulislah dalam kata, bukan dalam angka, ya. Okay, now number 2. What do you write in number 2? If you want to ask the total, apa yang kalian tulis di nomor 2 kalau kalian ingin menanyakan jumlah bla 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 trees bla bla bla. Okay, just like number 1, it's very easy. And then here you can write there are bla bla bla. Ada berapakah jumlah pohonnya? There are bla bla bla. Ada berapakah jumlahnya? And then write bla bla bla. Ya. Okay, don't write directly to the number. Jangan langsung ke angkanya. Please write there are blah blah blah. Gitu ya. Okay. I think it's very easy. You can practice at home. Boleh belajar lagi di rumah untuk diulang videonya. And then you can understand more about the material. Okay. I think that's all, everyone. Thank you for today. See you next meeting. Bye bye.